Supporters say it's designed to eliminate fraud.
But opponents say that it could negatively affect thousands of people. Fox 10's Stephanie Bennett is live with more tonight. Stephanie.
Yeah, the bill's sponsor actually tells us this will actually impact a very small percentage of voters, including federal-only voters, people registering for the first time in the state, and anyone else who has not already provided proof of citizenship.
We think it's good legislation. We think it protects the voters and protects citizens to ensure and not dilute their vote. And if somebody on the left wants to challenge it, have at it.
Governor Doug Ducey signed Arizona House Bill 2492 today, meaning federal-only voters will now face certain restrictions and be required to show proof of citizenship. The bill's sponsor says it will ensure a fair and accurate election process.
No, Arizonans will not have to re-register to vote. It will be business as usual for 99.9% of Arizona voters. This only affects a very small percentage of total voters. And even then, we actually grandfathered in all of those individuals who already are registered to vote that have some form of proof of citizenship on file.
Under Prop 200, which was passed a few years ago, Arizona is the only state that requires voters to prove their citizenship when they register, which they show through a driver's license, government or tribal ID number, or they can attach a copy of their birth certificate, passport, or naturalization documents. That means Arizona already requires voters to provide their citizenship when they register. But for federal elections, like the presidential race, voters only need to sign and not show proof of citizenship. This then created a small group of federal-only voters that will now need to show physical proof with the passage of this new bill.
We should all speak out against these things. Reasonable voices, whether they're Republicans or Democrats, should speak out against bad policy. And this is bad policy. The
bill also requires people to include proof of their address with new voter registrations.
For naturalized citizens, I think it puts a little bit of a target on naturalized citizens, because it says that our election officials, if you say you're a U.S. citizen and have been recently naturalized, it puts a duty on the election officials to check some really outdated databases and then use that to determine whether or not they should start a criminal investigation against you.
Now, this bill goes into effect 90 days after the legislative session ends, but many still argue that this is unconstitutional and it could ultimately be dropped if lawyers take it to court. Reporting live at the Capitol tonight, Stephanie Bennett, Fox 10 News.